In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate the audit log in your system. Understanding how to view and filter this log is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring comprehensive oversight of activities. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's walk through this together. Let's start by locating the gear icon on your main interface. This is typically found in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon opens up a host of options crucial for managing your system settings with ease. Pay attention to the choices available here. It's important to familiarize yourself with these settings as they serve as the backbone of navigating your administrative tasks smoothly. Once you've opened up the settings, look for the area labeled Audit Log. This is where the magic happens. The audit log is like the black box of your digital environment, recording every crucial action taken. Accessing it might take a few seconds, but once you're in, you'll have a comprehensive grid of previous system transactions at your disposal. Now let's delve deeper into making this data work for you by filtering the log. You might be interested in seeing specific actions taken by certain users or actions that occurred within a particular time frame. This is where filters come in handy. By focusing your search, you save time and can zero in on critical data that might otherwise be buried within countless entries. Locate the filter options in the interface where you can select parameters. Begin by specifying the user whose activities you want to review. Next, you can narrow it down even further by setting a date range. This combination provides a powerful lens into historical activity and helps in tracking specific events or changes. With these filters applied, you're now presented with customized logs that provide crucial insights. Keep in mind that combing through this information might reveal anomalies or recurring patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. This step is indispensable for troubleshooting or for regular oversight, ensuring that you have a clear picture of what's happening within your realm of responsibility. Finally, viewing deleted transactions becomes a breeze once these logs are filtered. If you're specifically looking at what has been removed from the records, this feature is particularly helpful. Deleted transactions can provide vital clues into unintended changes or possible security concerns. By reviewing these entries, you're equipped to understand these actions better and potentially reconcile any discrepancies that have occurred. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating and filtering your audit log effectively. Whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a large organization,